Hi, today we'll be looking into the subject category feature. This feature is available in the principal section. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting notifications for videos like these. Also, share this video with a person you think this might be helpful for. Our contact details are in the description box, and if you leave a comment with your phone number, we will contact you. Okay, let's get to the subject category now. So the feature is available in this examinations setup section. Now, a thing that is special about this section is that things should be set up in a particular way, in the way they are represented here. So first off, we should do examination terms and then subject category and then assessment types and so on. So we are going to do subject category today, and if you have not set up examination terms, you have to do that first. And if you're interested in watching the tutorial, you can check that out on this channel. So let's go with subject category. Okay, so first off we have to click on set up a category here. And then we have to select a class, and we can either scroll down here or we can search in this search box. Let's go with NUR. So let's go with nursery. And then for each subject of this class, we can select a subject category, which can be scholastic, co-scholastic, or additional. Now these subject categories are reflected in the certificates of the students. So let's just fill them. For example, for English compulsory, let's go with scholastic. For mathematics compulsory, let's go with scholastic. And for Punjabi compulsory, let's go with co-scholastic. And for social studies, let's go with additional. And let's click on this submit button right here. Success. Subject categories saved successfully, 4 subjects categorized. Let's click on OK. Now if we scroll down a little, we can see that for nursery, the subjects have been categorized, and we can see the category and the subject and the class down here. Now we can edit this data or delete it. So first off, let's click on edit. And if we go up a little, we can again see all the things that we just selected, the categories basically. And we can change, let's go with English compulsory. Let's make this co-scholastic and click on update and updated. If we go down there, nursery English is now co-scholastic instead of scholastic. And we can also delete it. If we click on delete, make sure that you know that this will delete the subject categories for this class. So let me just click on cancel. So I cannot delete one subject. For example, if I want to delete, for example, mathematics for nursery, I cannot do that. We have to delete it in a group of the whole class. So the setup also takes place in a whole class manner, and so does the deletion. So for example, if I delete this, okay, the nursery data is gone. Now you can print this whole data down here, just like that, and get a printout of this. And again, you can download it in Excel format, CSV format, or PDF format according to need. If you purchase our software, there is no per student charge, and you get unlimited students, unlimited staff, and unlimited cloud storage. Our subscription cost does not increase for existing subscribers unless they change their plan. See you in the next video. Thank you.